YouTube, welcome back to another adventure with your boy Lynn. So since you see me here in this yard right here, you already know what it is. It's gonna be a cooking video, of course. So here we're back in countryside. You've been asking for it, for more cooking videos. So here we are back at it again, guys, for some delicious Haitian food. That's why I come here deep in countryside to have you guys experience a delicious meal, like made from the village with love and passion, you know, all those. So today we're gonna be having some Haitian food, especially some millet, some Haitian pitimi, that's why we call it here, with some dried pigeon beans sauce and some fish, like some red snapper, some stew fish right here. I just bought them right here actually. This place that we're in right now, what they do most here, so it's fishing and rice plantation. Actually, I'm talking to you right now and I'm looking at the rice field right there. I'm gonna show you after. We're in Torbec in the southern region of Haiti, so that's where we're at right now, and that's what they do here, fish and rice. But today we're not cooking rice, but we're gonna have some millet instead, some Haitian pitimi. I think this is one of the least favorite food for Haitians, but this is also one of the healthiest food though, you know, and for me, I love it. And so let's get to the kitchen and then see how they actually preparing the food. Let's get it, guys. Then we cover it so it can be cooked. Okay. What for tout? You trop impossible to put it. So actually those are saltfish. I got them from the Conch Island. So and today we're gonna cook them. So first, when you're cooking the saltfish, you need to desalt it, like put it in water for a while before cooking it. So you take the salt out. So first you need to clean it. Tu te vas con Pitimi?
Ma con Pitimi, no? Et j'allais m'accoucher avec Pitimi.
Eh ouais.
Oh, et même pour accoucher, je dis. J'allais la nourrir sur Pitimi, mais moi pour l'aide. Après, à manger, je me donne toute la. Je vais connaître, non? L'aime goûter, je vais manger.
Oh oh. Je Pitimi bon. Combien ça est?
C'est good.
Comment?
$600.
Comment c'est $100? Got some red snapper. Qui ça?
C'est classique là tout bien. Moi de toi petit là non. De quoi boisson.
Oh.
Mais c'est là oui. Gueule qui tombe à terre.
Madame $5,000 non combien?
Non, de quoi boisson non?
Ah.
Nous gueule qui tombe à terre.
C'est pas cher mieux tout.
Ah. J'ai sous de à terre. On va acheter des poissons.
Poisson avec câble.
Comment faire pour?
Comment on fait pour avec l'appel non? Il m'a dit trop cop déjà, $600 demandé oui.
De quoi boisson?
Comment $800 c'est? Alright, so we're buying this. So she has actually around $800, like $900, like Haitian dollars, like 4,500 goods. for this, like around 35 USD, something like this. Vin à couteau là, date du couteau pour filer.
Oh, m'a dit ça non?
Oh,
même pas un couteau.
oh, et ça moi là.
Couteau est cassé.
Vin à couteau.
On est bon à me faire. Moïse, al don un bout de fil. Fil yo ti à côté bon, un bout de fil. Mande côté l'in sap sorti. Oui, fait boulot, oui, m'a pensé à elle.
Malo chérie.
Put in soap, water. Alright, so after cleaning them, you cut the scale out, and so you put it right here in this salt water mixed with the lime juice, the lemon juice though. Alright, that's how we clean the fish. Alright, we gotta get some wood for the fire. Let's light up the fire. Vous savez lui-même?
Oui, mettre bon pour ça.
You know, you cannot be sitting here eating the food without working, guys. You know, you got to work too. You got to work for it.
Ça ici tout on pour laver poisson. Il était déjà nassé déjà, citron orange ici. Sel. On y a citron sambal pirel pour me brancher pour me mettre dans la trempette là. Peut-être que les gens doivent demander avant de caler les oranges, de retirer toute peau. On va laver bien les oranges, pas caler pour retirer toute peau parce que ça a besoin de pour aller.
Ah ouais?
Ouais. Et les pour faire poisson va sentir doigt et chaise là.
Ouais, ouais. Bah c'est l'eau acide là. Mais citron.
C'est les pour couper sentir doigt, ni citron. C'est chaise citron que tu sentir doigt. Non, mon YouTube yo a dit ça ouais, dans laver poisson femme au caille.
Ah, pour baguette bleu.
C'est vous qui me va pas.
Ça qui n'a plus ça, poireau, piment. Poireau, piment l'ail.
celle-là, on va mettre dessus. Mettez le sel déjà, oui. Ah oui, mettez le propre sel, non? C'est ça.
Okay, add some salt. Cela va faire de l'eau tout?
Celle-là va le plus fin encore.
Puis fin encore.
Si vous mettez la velle, il a fait de l'eau. Vous mettez pour fin piler comme ça. Vous mettez celle-là après. Il n'y a pas de panique qui a encore. Pas de danger. Puis là, il est bien fin.
Yeah.
Vous mettez dans le loulou ça. Vous regardez à terre.
Wow.
Et puis là, ça va faire là. Moi, écoute, ma et ça, moi, c'est ça.
Tu m'as écouté ça, ma chaudière? On va ces poissons. Alors, poche là, comme là. Ils sont bien lavés blancs.
On va manger là. D'abord, on va tremper là, on va mettre chaque pain. Pour manger là. Obligé de trouver ça pour regarder si pas un grain de citron ou un grain d'orange. Et entrer là-dedans. On va maquiller poisson.
Okay, so that's it.
Ça c'est épice là.
Also got lime juice. So she's mixing the spices that she just smashed with the lime juice. Alright? So that's the seasoning though.
Piment avec clou girofle pour mettre bouillir dans le poisson.
Now she's gonna apply the seasoning into the fish right now. Alright. This is the secret recipe, guys. And also the seasoning can get into the fish though. See? Wow. That is it.
Não mamãe, vamos dar mais sabor. Quando imagem sai, eu vou manjar para o bolho.
O gato tá lá, o gato tá lá. Vai. Estão? Abaixo no espelho. Tem um pouco de água. Não sei quando
Oh, como se é bom santo para com goa lá, hein? Haha. Alright. So the beans is almost ready, like already.
Pois, on fait sauce pois Congo avec pitimi, sauce poisson. C'est coco et à me couler dans le pois.
So we're gonna get some water from the wells here. This is a rice field right here. That's probably for a couple people, in the area right here. This whole community, so that's why they do most in here. So you got rice in the other side, we're actually in Torbek. So this is just a small village, like in Torbek right here. So people here are doing rice plantation and then fishing. That's pretty much it right here.
Get up here, we buy moon. What's it then when you got to second do the this happen? Pay the lamb mal there, boom, couldn't have been found who's there.
À fin bouillir, qu'on y a la mballe de sauce pois.
So while Yesha is going to prepare the millet, just exactly like the white rice. Et ça fait du blanc.
Oui, j'ai blanc.
Yeah. It's prepared like almost like same way. Yeah, same way as white rice. But the only difference is that it does take more water. Salma, il prend plus d'eau. Yeah, that's the only difference here. So you need more water for this. So I gotta put a lot of water. Pigeon beans right here. Okay. Smashing it. So you got the bean sauce. Alright. There you go. Okay. That's best. Alright, so you smash it and get the juice, like the sauce from it. And that's why I'm gonna give it that thick texture. They're gonna have it thick, That's how you have in the pigeon bean sauce. Okay, you cover this.
Pitimi m'a lavé. Mettez dans la chaudière. Tu vas sécuriser là.
C'est bien, depuis le film pilé.
Tout simplement rester sur ça, on mange avant.
Oui, tu mettais beurre, tu mettais maggi. Mete suka ben nan chou. Suka ben ko total pour regarder ça. La fini ma lo pour aller ma pour. Tade?
Oh, Pitimi qui a bouilli là.
Sauce poisson.
Right, so right here we have the bean sauce. That's the pigeon bean sauce. Right here we have the
Ça c'est
millet.
Pitimi.
Wow. Aïe! Wow. Alright. Pot off. Alright, so here we have the millet boiling in the bean sauce, like the dried pigeon bean sauce. And right here, she's gonna make the sauce. Okay. Oh. Alright. But listen, guys. Remember, here we are in a fishing village, so they made the best fish all time. I can tell you guys. Whenever you go to a place where they do fishing, you know, that's exactly where they make the best fish too. Ah, laffy. Alright. Some butter, some oil. Alright. Sit here and see how they do.
Et pas fou non. On frit beurre. Et là on fait poisson blanc et beaucoup de beurre pour frit. On frit beurre. Et puis j'ai le fin frit m'ajoute poisson.
Alright. Look at that. Look at that. There we go. That's how we do, bro. There we go. So you know the fish has been in the seasoning for a while though, you know, and after frying the butter, add some oil, and next that was adding the fish. Right, so here we have the coconut milk. Okay. Okay, so it's carrying some bell pepper.
Poivron, mettez un petit poivron, piment vert, persil, piment, et puis céleri, mettez.
Okay, carry some bell pepper, put in it, you know, and now the. Alright, look at that. So now we're adding the some coconut milk, so the fish can be cooked, you know. Alright. Then you cover it. Couvre là.
Oui, couvrir, pour le cuire. La sèche et puis bon. Mettez sous en là.
Et la map mettez.
Mais un petit cachet pour mon traverser les poissons. Après, du cocoya, puis bébé, pour bouillir avec.
Là, on s'en met dans le là.
Oui, presque. Le cocoya va comme.
Ça a une décoration?
Oui. Ils ont un besoin de décoration, mais vous mettez dans la sauce.
We got the sauce, man. This look delicious and smell delicious too. Wow. Oh. La préparation au bord. Bonsoir, bien celui là. Que poisson content par le mettre de colle. Poisson ouvert colle, quel content.
C'est Pitimi a beaucoup à pas toi dire.
Yeah.
Finalement, là il qu'on là.
So guys, food is ready right now. So right here we got the bean sauce, and here we got the fish. Hey, be careful, man! Be careful, young man!
I'm strong, man.
Hey, hey! Here we go, baby! Wow! Food is ready, guys. Man. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, wow, wow! Yeah, everything looks delicious, guys. So right here we have the pitimi, Haitian pitimi. So right here we got the bean sauce. This is the dried pigeon beans. Make it so sweet. And right here we got some red snapper. Wow, look delicious. I can't wait to dive into it, guys. Siapa mun gibagaton?
Lela se wadi.
Wow, got the pitimi.
E de poarol pou.
Ouvert yo.
Voici la vanne.
Wow. We got the pigeon bean sauce.
On va danser. Voile bien passé. Danser. Ide sauce à gouda.
Alright. Got the sauce. Wow.
Bien passé.
Wow. Guys, I'm telling you. Wow. I'm telling you guys.
Vive.
Wow.
Ela se mete la saba no wap kapon. Kwa ila on lot vese ma pe.
You say? Ooh. There we go, baby. Alright. Look at that. Mana gen puan apa nggo. Alright, babe, so food is ready. There we go. Look at that, baby. Look at that, baby. So here we have the millet. So right here we have the dried pigeon bean sauce. Let me show y'all. Okay, you see it, guys. And here this is the sauce. Okay, yeah, that's the sauce. And we put the fish on top of the millet. Okay, so let me give it a try. I'm excited for it. Let's go. Okay, you know, normally how we eat, we pour the sauce on top, either rice, either cornmeal, like anything. So pour the sauce on top. That's dope, bro. That's dope. See, let's put it like this. Great combo. No way. Oh, that is dope. Já bom ainda. Perfect. The best combo. We get some more, guys. Wow. Okay. What maybe I told you guys, the kids don't like millet like as kids. So normally, like most kids don't eat it, like, but it's actually healthy though, you know. You see, she just came and be like, I'm not eating that. I'm not eating pitimi. Yeah, but it's guys. Whoa. Mm. Once again, give you no gosh more avant. La gueule. So guys, that is the result. So let me enjoy the food. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. So this is one of my favorite meals though. I can tell you guys, this is healthy and delicious at the same time, you know. Like even though most kids don't like it, but that is dope. That is dope. Go ahead and try it, guys, okay? So hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Let me enjoy the food. Oh, wait a minute. I haven't tried the fish yet. Come on, let me show you guys the texture. You see? It's cooked. Look at that. Look at that, guys. And good. If start come done.
What machine?
This is really dope, guys. You know, especially this is my favorite. Like that's the only fish that I like myself. Where snapper. I don't really like the other fish. Okay. Mixing. Wow, perfect combo. So guys, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and then let me enjoy my food. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do it right now. This is the time, guys. So we just hit 50k of subscribers, and this is amazing. And then I want to thank you guys for doing that. So it's all you, you know, it's all you guys. So I started the journey from zero, and now 2 years later we're already at 50k, and this is a lot. So let's make it to 100k, because like most of you guys that watch my videos are not subscribed yet, you know. Please go ahead right now. That's the time to subscribe, guys.